Hello. I don't know how long I can continue. Battery backup is not there. Light is already gone. So till that I can continue till the backup is there. Till that I'm continuing. I think the last 4 5 hours that light was not there. Till now it is not there. Okay. Then here, when light rays enter the eye, most of the refraction occurs at the
B.
the
Cornea.
outer surface of the cornea. Remember
Cornea.
this. That time also I told you this is one MCQ question and important. The focal length The focal length of the eye lens increases when the eye muscles
Relaxed and
A, ma'am.
A, ma'am.
are relaxed and the lens becomes thinner.
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the statement is correct? A person with myopia can see distant objects clearly. Is it correct? Myopia with distant objects.
No,
The person with hypermetropia can
ma'am.
see nearby objects clearly. No, that is also not.
No,
Myopia
no.
person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly.
Ma'am, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
Cannot see distant objects clearly. No, D wrong.
C.
C option is right. So draw ray diagrams each showing myopic eye and hypermetropic eye. Then students sitting at the back of the classroom cannot read clearly the letters written on the blackboard. What advice will a doctor give it to her? Draw a diagram for the correction of this defect. Any person sitting in the classroom, backside of the classroom, can't see the written letters written on the blackboard. What defect that person has? The student has
Myopia.
myopia. It's myopia. The long distance objects cannot be, far distant objects cannot be seen clearly. So that is myopia. What correction has to be done?
He needs to use concave.
Concave lens.
Yes, a person has to wear the concave lens spectacles having concave lens of suitable focal length. How are we able to see nearby? Yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 15th question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we should also draw the corrected vision of it, ma'am.
No, they are only asking the ray diagram showing the myopic eye and hypermetropic eye. That's it.
Okay, so no need of the correction.
No need. No. Problem only you have to show, not the correction part.
Okay, ma'am.
How are we able to see nearby and also the distant objects clearly?
The help of power of accommodation.
So you have to explain. This is a 3-mark question, so you have to explain properly. What are the changes taken place to see nearby distant objects? What changes has to be done? When we see the nearby distant objects, the ciliary muscles
Contract. And
contract,
the lens becomes
lens
thicker.
become thicker, focal length decreases.
Decreases.
And in case of distant objects,
Focal length increases.
Ciliary muscles relax and the
ciliary
lens
muscles
becomes thinner.
relax, lens become thinner, curvature decreases, and the focal length increases. A person needs a lens of power minus 4.5 diopter for correction of her vision. What kind of a defect in vision is she suffering from?
Myopia.
It's minus 4.5. Itself, it tells that is a concave lens is used, and concave lens is used for correction of
Myopia.
myopia. Okay. What is the focal length of the corrective lens? Focal length, find out. This is the power, so find out the focal length. 1 by minus 4.5. 10, that is 5 2s are 5 9s are 2 by 9, 0.2. What is the nature of that? 0.2 meters. What is the nature of corrective lens? What is the nature of the corrective lens? Nature, that means it is converging or diverging?
Diverging lens.
It's diverging lens. How will you use two identical prisms so that a narrow beam of white light incident on one prism emerges out of the second prism as white light? Draw the diagram. So which diagram you have to draw?
That one, ma'am. That experimental activity you showed me,
Ma'am, where
Momali.
the
Recombination of prism.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I just got a doubt in that activity.
Yeah. Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
ma'am, I just thought like if it's, I mean, I know blue light diverges because it's because of its wavelength first, but then what about violet light? That would diverge way more easily, right?
Particles available will not be, that will also happens, but the blue most prominently. In case of scattering, this is not the scattering part, this is the dispersion part.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that activity I just remembered my doubt.
This one, no, yeah. This one, the color, all the colors will move out and then they all combine. In this activity, all of them combine to form white light.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, I'm talking about the other activity in which that solution was there and then
Solution. Okay, violet is not that much permanent because it is also moved away. After that, again, it will get scattered and moved away. In the Tyndall effect experiment, you are telling, right?
yes, ma'am.
So again, yeah, it will blue. Violet color will be there, but this is not much prominent.
Okay,
Blue
ma'am.
is more prominent. More number of blue light only falls on our eyes
Okay, ma'am.
rather than violet one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, draw this one. Draw a ray diagram showing the dispersion through prism when a narrow beam of white light is incident on one of the refracting surface. Also indicate the order of the colors of the spectrum obtained. What is the order of colors? What is the order of colors? What diagram you have to draw here?
Vibgyor.
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 But from the top to bottom, it is from red.
So
Okay.
it will
At the
become
top, it
red.
is red and the violet is at the bottom. Okay. Is the position of a star as seen by us its true position? Justify your answer. Is that the true position?
No, ma'am.
No,
So what exactly happening?
no, ma'am.
How will justify
Ma'am, due
this?
to the
Refraction.
atmospheric refraction.
What? What happens due to atmospheric refraction?
Ma'am, star emits its own light called as starlight. So, when it comes to the Earth's atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere has many layers. So it always travels from a rarer to denser medium. So the rays which get refracted move towards the normal. So by doing so, it bends a lot due to this refraction when it reaches the observer's eye. So when we draw imaginary straight line towards it, we see the star. We see the star as its apparent position, but then it is not the same position as it is. So
It is above the original position.
Original
It is
position.
higher than its original
original
position.
position.
Okay. Why do we see a rainbow in the sky only after rainfall?
Ma'am, because the light gets refracted in the water droplet, and the water droplet acts as a prism.
Yes, water droplets suspended in the atmosphere
Atmosphere acts as a prism.
acts as a prism which disperses the light, which refracts, disperses, and internally reflects the light before falling on our eyes. So therefore, we are able to see the seven color bow. We are able to see. So therefore, it is called as rainbow. Why is the color of the sky, clear sky, blue? You already have known the difference between what is the difference in colors of the sun observed during sunrise and sunset, sunrise or sunset and noon. Give explanation. So at sunrise and sunset, what is the color?
Red.
Reddish. And at noon?
It's blue.
At noon, what is the color of the sun?
White.
It's white.
White.
So why? The reason?
Ma'am, because it's directly up, it's perpendicular.
No, sunrise and sunset time. What is happening at sunrise and sunset?
Okay, because it's it's directly coming to our eyes.
Hmm.
So because of that, the wave it becomes a shorter wavelength, and so it like looks red in color.
No. Anyone else?
All other colors scatter except red.
So when sun's light enters atmosphere, fine particles of the atmosphere scatters the all other colors away, leaving behind only longer wavelength light, that is a red light, which reach us. So therefore we are able to see the red color sky. And at the noon time, all the color light ray is falling perpendicularly. So due to which the less refraction takes place, even the colors scatter equally. Due to large size particles, the color scatters equally, forming white light. Clear? You have to remember all the reasons. Explain the structure and function of human eye. How are we able to see nearby as well as distant objects? Power of accommodation, you have to explain again. When do we consider a person to be myopic or hypermetropic? Explain using diagrams how the defects associated with myopic and hypermetropic eye can be corrected. Explain the refraction of light through triangular glass prism using level ray diagram. Also, hence define the angle of deviation. These are all straightforward questions, and the same question as it is question will be there in your exam. Most of the times these direct questions will be there in your examination. So if you do this much questions, that's enough. How can we explain the reddish appearance of sun at sunrise or sunset? Why does it not appear red at noon? Just now we have explained the same questions, keep repeating. Explain the phenomena of dispersion of white light through a glass prism using suitable ray diagram. Dispersion of a light you have to show. How does refraction takes place in the atmosphere? Why do stars twinkle but not the planets? So these are the 3 marker questions which are continuously added. Every exam you will get these questions. Only these questions are asked from this chapter, nothing else. Are this question clear? But thing is you are not properly remembered. So you have to read and remember it. Okay. Then what are the tests I have to tell you? For the test, acid base salt chapter will be there on Saturday, and trigonometry again on Friday. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's Friday.